Hi there, friends. I'm Sunny the Sun. Isn't it a beautiful day? Today we're going to learn about something super cool, the rain cycle. But first, let's see who's up in the clouds.
Hi everyone, I'm Rainy the Cloud. I'm a little shy, but I love to help explain things. Together, Sunny and I will show you how rain is made.
Look, when I shine on the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, I help it warm up.
That's right. The warm water turns into tiny bits of water vapor and rises up into the sky.
And when the water vapor cools down, it turns back into tiny water droplets.
When I get heavy with all those droplets, I can't hold them anymore. That's when I let it rain.
And after the rain, we often see a beautiful rainbow. Isn't it magical?
So, remember friends, the rain cycle is all about how water moves from the ground to the sky and back again.
And it helps plants grow, fills rivers, and gives us the wonderful rainbows we love to see.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Keep exploring and asking questions. See you next time.